Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the audio port circuit board from a Dell Inspiron 1721. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you want to do is slide the latches over to unlock and remove the battery. Now you're going to unscrew and remove optical drive. Next, you'll loosen the hard drive door screws. Now remove hard drive caddy screws to release hard drive. Loosen Wi-Fi door screws. Now unplug antenna cables. Next, remove bottom base screws. Remove hard drive base screws. Next, you're going to remove rear hinge screws. Now pry open and remove power button cover. Next, unplug and remove Bluetooth card. The next thing you're going to do is remove the keyboard screws. Now slide up and remove keyboard. Now unscrew, then unplug LCD cable. Now loosen wireless cables and pull apart LCD assembly. The next thing you're going to do is remove screws from palm rest. Unplug and remove palm rest from base. The next thing you're going to do is remove the screw and unplug cable from the audio circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For heatsinks, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.